Yeah, it's a special moment. Something not that long ago I was playing at home, and to get one cap would have been very special. And to be honest with you, probably your first cap, your proudest moment that you can have. Although everyone along the way is special. Yeah, it's a big moment for myself, for my family, and it's something I'm very proud of. As I say, obviously playing in the Irish League to start with, and that there. It's dreams. And obviously I went through a spell for a couple of years where I wasn't playing, getting a sniff at it. So it's not something you think about, but it's come along. And it's a really nice honour to have. And so hopefully we can get a result on the night, and that'll help for me to look on the occasion a bit more fondly.